Hey guys, a very warm welcome. My name is Devanshu Shukla, director at Hackveda, and I'm very happy to announce a live 20 days hands-on product development workshop for you. Objective of this workshop is to make you guys industry ready for product and service based companies and promote entrepreneurship in India. This workshop will be organized in 5 stages where we will be teaching you how to build valuable products for your customers, how to get the attention of prospects, how to convert prospects into paying customers, how to offer fantastic support for your customers, and how to bring in enough money for the product or organization from profitable sales and investors. So this 5-stage workshop will not only help you build a product, but a complete business as an entrepreneur. In stage number 1, we'll find out the strategies to find out customer demands. Then, on the basis of the demand, we will be building a web application. This web application will be known as Daytrade Insight, and it has a lot of features. The features include building a real-time trading platform to buy and sell stocks, analyze stocks and options to offer great valuable recommendations, integrations of AI tools like ChatGPT in order to process the information and produce it in a visible, readable format for customers, including social media integrations in order to broadcast the information on social media about the product. We'll also have sentiment analysis of news, and we will identify the impact factor of a specific news on a stock and option. So in this workshop, you will be using multiple technologies. So you will understand how front end of the web applications are created using tools like Figma and various other tools. Then we will understand how we write backend using PHP programming, Python Django, and how you can export the relevant codes to Node.js and other backend technologies. You will be understanding how to create databases, how to write efficient SQL queries. Then you will be understanding how this web application will be deployed on a hosting service like GoDaddy or on cloud. Then you will be understanding how we use technologies like Python to write individual scripts, add that information to the database, and access the information on the web application. How do we synchronize real-time data using Python Django and deploying it on cloud server? So you will be understanding that. Also, you will have an understanding of integration of APIs from Zerodha Kite. How do we get stock information data? How do we grab information from National Stock Exchange using tools and techniques like Selenium? And followed by how do we grab information from Twitter about the news, and how do we post our valuable information about the product on Twitter using Twitter APIs. In stage number 2, we will be making use of strategies to aggregate information of the customers from internet and make campaigns in order to draw their attention towards our product. So we will be creating various digital marketing strategies, email marketing strategies in order to draw the attention of the customer. Once we get the customer's attention, we will be drafting pitches in order to convert a prospect into a paying customer. You will learn all the strategies how customers are converted. In stage number 4, we will be making use of AI tools in order to offer fantastic support for our customers. In stage number 5, we will be building investor proposals, we'll be building pitch decks, and we will be reaching out to investors in order to fund the product and organization. So this 20 days hands-on workshop, it's not just a hands-on workshop, it's a complete course on how to create a new business. This will also bring insights how companies operate and how, as a team member, you can join those organizations and contribute in development of the products. So click on the register now button and join me on this live online workshop on Zoom, where I will be guiding you step by step for all these 5 stages to make you an entrepreneur.